Hey, Jessica Guay joins us live now from the Pittsburgh Zoo. The National Weather Service has already been out there tonight to start evaluating the damage. Jess.
Ken, you have to take a look at how massive this tree is that came crashing down here in the zoo parking lot when the tornado came through Highland Park. Now, the National Weather Service just confirmed that this was an EF1 tornado with 105-mile-per-hour winds. I mean, pretty intense. Just look at how this tree split when it was completely uprooted. And believe it or not, there was actually a vehicle under there at one point. This tree fell on an SUV. It caused lots of damage, and it was towed away not long ago. National Weather Service surveyor Matthew Kramer spoke with us out here about 8:15 tonight and said from what he had seen at that point, it looked like there were 80-mile-per-hour winds, but they still had more areas to check out, so they definitely found more damage as they've increased it to an EF1 tornado. Kramer said he didn't see any structural damage, but lots of snapped trees and snapped limbs. Even a number of trees and power lines were snapped along Washington Boulevard and near the Highland Park Bridge. The tornado happened during rush hour and even crossed Route 8, which of course is a highly trafficked road. Kramer said the tornado could have impacted vehicles. Thankfully, it didn't. Kramer tells us damage was seen at the zoo. He saw some more tree damage, like this tree here in the parking lot, and blown over fences. The National Weather Service survey team also just confirmed this tornado lifted shortly after crossing the Allegheny River. And when this tornado came through, their radar detected debris in the air.
What we understand so far is that the damage began near Morningside, neighborhood of Pittsburgh, and continued through the zoo here, snapping some trees and lofting debris enough that our radar was able to detect the debris, which is relatively unusual, but it's the fact that this was as close to the radar and as it was enabled us to actually see the damage from the tornado being lofted into the air and detected by radar.
No injuries have been reported from this tornado, even though it went through all those different roads. And here at the zoo, there was actually an event going on here tonight, but the zoo says that everyone's okay, the animals, the guests, and their staff. Live in Highland Park, Jessica Guay, KDKA News.